The Spirit of God is a spirit of excellence. The Spirit of God is a spirit of excellence. That excellence will move from the church into your academics. If you serve God in this fellowship, there have been thousands of testimonies. There have been thousands of testimonies. People serve God in this fellowship and they do not fail. They do not fail. You cannot serve God and fail. I do not know where I get from and pay transport for 2 persons because I want to come and see your face. I came because the Lord has successfully impacted me with the Spirit of God and the Spirit of excellence. And I am here this morning and I am willing by the mercies of God to impact it to you and you